Ever wondered what 11 million tons of bananas look like? Picture this, a mountain of yellow fruit so vast it could fill nearly 4,500 Olympic-sized swimming pools. That's not a scene from a cartoon. It's the annual banana harvest in China. From sprawling plantations to bustling markets, we're about to peel back the layers on one of the world's largest fruit industries. Get ready for a bunch of surprising facts that'll make you see your morning banana in a whole new light. Curious about the journey from soil to supermarket? Stick with us, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more eye-opening agricultural adventures. Welcome to the heart of China's banana belt. Picture vast plantations stretching as far as the eye can see, a sea of broad green leaves hiding treasures beneath. This is where the magic happens, where millions of Chinese farmers turn soil and sunlight into one of the world's favorite fruits. Now, 11 million tons might just sound like a big number, but let's put it into perspective. That's about the weight of 30 Empire State Buildings every single year. China isn't just playing in the big leagues of banana production, it's batting cleanup. But here's the kicker. China isn't even in the tropics. So how did it become a banana powerhouse? The answer lies in the southern provinces of Guangdong, Guangxi, and Yunnan. These regions have a subtropical climate that's just right for our curvy yellow friends. Farmers here have turned what could be a geographical disadvantage into an opportunity, proving that with the right techniques, you can grow bananas in places you wouldn't expect. Let's break down the banana boom. China's rise to banana stardom didn't happen overnight. Back in the 1980s, the country was producing a modest 1 million tons annually. Fast forward to today, and they've blown past that number by a factor of 11. This growth isn't just impressive, it's bananas. So how do they do it? It all starts with the right variety. While there are over 1,000 types of bananas in the world, Chinese farmers focus mainly on the Cavendish. It's the same variety you'll find in most supermarkets around the globe. But here's where it gets interesting. Chinese farmers have developed their own sub-varieties, tailored to local conditions. Take the Finel Banana, for instance. This variety, popular in Guangdong, is known for its sweetness and resistance to cold. It's a prime example of how Chinese farmers have adapted their crops to push the boundaries of traditional banana-growing regions. Now let's talk about the growing process. Banana plants aren't trees. They're actually giant herbs. Each plant produces one bunch of bananas in its lifetime, which takes about 9 to 12 months. After harvesting, farmers cut down the plant, and a new shoot, called a sucker, grows from the rhizome to start the cycle again. Chinese farmers have this cycle down to a science. They use a high-density planting method, squeezing in up to 2,400 plants per hectare. That's nearly double the density of some traditional banana-growing countries. More plants per acre mean more bananas, but it also means more intensive management. Irrigation is key. Many farms use drip irrigation systems that deliver water and nutrients directly to the plant's roots. This not only conserves water, but also allows for precise control of the plant's diet. It's like a banana spa treatment, ensuring each plant gets exactly what it needs to produce top-quality fruit. But it's not just about water. Soil management is crucial. Chinese farmers often use plastic mulch to cover the soil around the plants. This practice helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and maintain a consistent soil temperature. It's like tucking the bananas into bed with a cozy blanket. Fertilization is another area where Chinese banana farmers excel. They use a technique called fertigation, injecting liquid fertilizers into the irrigation system. This allows for precise nutrient delivery throughout the growing season. It's like giving the plants a perfectly balanced meal plan, tailored to their growth stage. But growing bananas in less than ideal conditions comes with challenges. Cold snaps can be devastating to banana crops. To combat this, some farmers in Guangxi have developed an innovative solution: banana greenhouses. These structures protect the plants from cold while allowing for year-round production. It's a game changer that's helping push banana cultivation further north than ever before. These greenhouses aren't your average backyard variety. They're massive structures, often covering several hectares. Some are equipped with automated climate control systems, monitoring temperature, humidity, and even carbon dioxide levels. It's like creating a slice of the tropics in the middle of China. Now, let's get to the juicy part: the harvest. Timing is everything. Bananas are harvested while they're still green and hard. Farmers look for signs like the ridges on the fruit becoming less prominent and the tips of the bananas turning from dark green to light green. Harvesting itself is a delicate dance. The entire bunch, weighing up to 50 kilograms, is cut from the plant. Workers use long poles with attached blades to reach high bunches. The cut bunch is carefully lowered onto a padded shoulder to prevent bruising. It's a physically demanding job that requires strength, skill, and a gentle touch. But the work doesn't stop there. Post-harvest handling is crucial. Bunches are transported to packing facilities where they're divided into smaller clusters, cleaned, and prepared for shipping. Speed is of the essence here. The quicker the bananas get from field to refrigerated transport, the longer their shelf life. In these packing facilities, bananas go through a series of quality checks. Workers inspect each hand of bananas for size, color, and any signs of damage or disease. It's like a banana beauty pageant where only the best make it to the next stage. Innovation is driving the industry forward. Some large-scale operations are using overhead cable systems to transport harvested bunches. Imagine a banana ski lift gently carrying fruit from the field to the packing house. It's not just cool to watch, it significantly reduces handling damage and improves efficiency. But the innovations don't stop there. Some farms are experimenting with automated harvesting systems. These machines can cut and lower bunches with precision, reducing labor costs and improving worker safety. It's like having a gentle giant helping with the harvest. Now, let's talk about the economic impact. The banana industry is a major employer in rural China. It's not just about the farmers. There are the input suppliers, the transporters, the packers, and the marketers. All told, millions of livelihoods depend on these curved yellow fruits. In some areas, banana farming has transformed entire communities. Take Xishuangbanna in Yunnan province, for example. Once known primarily for tea production, it's now a banana hub. The industry has brought jobs, infrastructure, and economic growth to this once remote region. But it's not all smooth peeling. Chinese banana farmers face challenges. Diseases like Fusarium wilt, also known as Panama disease, threaten crops. This soil-borne fungus can wipe out entire plantations. Chinese researchers are at the forefront of developing resistant varieties, but it's an ongoing battle. To combat these diseases, some farmers are turning to biological control methods. They're using beneficial microorganisms to suppress pathogens in the soil. It's like creating a probiotic for the banana plants, boosting their natural defenses. Climate change is another looming threat. Erratic weather patterns, including more frequent storms and temperature fluctuations, can wreak havoc on banana production. Farmers are adapting by implementing more resilient farming practices like improved drainage systems and windbreak. There's also the issue of sustainability. The high-intensity farming methods that have fueled China's banana boom have taken a toll on the environment in some areas. Overuse of fertilizers and pesticides has led to soil degradation and water pollution. However, there's a growing movement towards more sustainable practices. Some farmers are turning to organic methods, using natural pest control and compost instead of chemical inputs. Others are implementing intercropping systems, growing other crops between banana plants to improve soil health and biodiversity. These practices not only benefit the environment, but can also command premium prices in the market. Water conservation is becoming increasingly important. Some farms are implementing rainwater harvesting systems, collecting and storing rainwater for use during dry periods. It's like giving the banana plants their own personal reservoir. Speaking of markets, China's massive banana production isn't just feeding domestic demand. The country has become a significant exporter, particularly to nearby Asian markets. Chinese bananas are making their way to supermarket shelves in Japan, South Korea, and even as far as the Middle East. But here's an interesting twist. Despite being the world's fourth largest producer, China also imports bananas. High-quality bananas from Southeast Asian countries like the Philippines and Ecuador find eager buyers in China's affluent coastal cities. It's a testament to the growing sophistication of the Chinese consumer market. This two-way trade has led to some interesting developments. Chinese companies are investing in banana plantations in countries like Laos and Myanmar, bringing their advanced growing techniques to new regions. It's like China is exporting its banana expertise along with the fruit. Looking to the future, Chinese banana farmers are embracing technology. Drones are being used for aerial spraying and crop monitoring. Some farms are experimenting with AI-powered systems to optimize irrigation and fertilizer use. There's even research into using blockchain to improve traceability in the banana supply chain. Imagine a future where each banana comes with a digital passport, telling you exactly where it was grown, when it was harvested, and how it made its way to your fruit bowl. It's not science fiction, it's the direction the industry is heading. The industry is also evolving beyond just fresh fruit. Banana processing is on the rise, with products like banana chips, flour, and even banana-based alcoholic beverages hitting the market. It's all part of a strategy to add value and reduce waste in the industry. Some innovative companies are even exploring uses for banana plant waste. Banana fiber, extracted from the plant's trunk, is being used to make textiles and paper products. It's a great example of how the industry is finding ways to use every part of the plant, not just the fruit. As we look to the future, the Chinese banana industry stands at a crossroads. The challenge lies in balancing increased production with sustainable practices, modernizing while preserving traditional knowledge, and ensuring that the benefits of this booming industry reach the small-scale farmers who form its backbone. From massive plantations to high-tech greenhouses, from traditional farming wisdom to cutting-edge research, China's banana industry is a fascinating blend of old and new. These 11 million tons of bananas represent more than just a massive harvest. They're a testament to human ingenuity and adaptability. But as we peel back the layers of this industry, one question remains. In a changing climate and a shifting global market, can China keep its banana boom going? Or will we see a new chapter in the story of the world's favorite fruit? The future of China's banana industry might just be the most intriguing bunch yet.